All right, Melanie, what are you working on here for dinner?
Soup?
This
With
is how we do.
leftovers?
This is how we do leftovers on the road
Yeah.
in the trailer. All right, specifically, we have some leftover corn here. That's kind of a sort of a creamed type corn, I guess. Um, I made it and didn't love it, so we didn't eat too much of it. So, well, she's throwing in some celery and some smoked brats and who knows what else. I think she's gonna puree the corn. He's feeding me baby food. I think this blender was like $10 or $15 from Walmart, and it's very low power draw. It can easily run off the inverter in the van.
I do this, right? Alright. See. Yeah. See. You gotta wrestle with your salary to burn some calories. Yeah. See. There you go. It's pretty good.
What are you calling this, Melanie?
Robert's leftover corn soup.
Good, good. I used to call my one skillet concoctions slop, and my brother told me I had to call it skillet casserole because it was classier.
There you go. So, yeah.
Smells better than my corn did the first time I made it the other day. Melanie says the cheese is because she doesn't have any really nice green garnish or anything.
All right, Robert. What do you think?
All right, it's hot. It smells good, so. That'll work.
All right.
Well, I admit I had been a little bit skeptical when Melanie told me what she was planning for dinner, but she pulled it off. It was quite good. And, you know, as you can see, it's all gone. Compliments to the chef.
So yeah, Cooking with Melanie. Let's see if she doesn't burn it this time.